Today I'm modeling this inexpensive pincushion ring made from recycled materials. It goes together quickly and will soon become your go-to pincushion. It also makes a great gift for a sewing friend. You can find this supply list and directions below, or you can go to learnhowtoquilt.com, click on Small Projects for a free downloadable PDF file. You'll need a bottle cap and 1/4-inch elastic for the base. This cap came off a 2-liter soda bottle. I cut up some leftover batting for the stuffing, but you can use any type of stuffing. Just a 4-inch scrap of fabric will do for the cover. It should be big enough for a 4-inch circle. I use this template, but a dish or plate will do. Doesn't have to be perfect. Start with your bottle cap. Draw a line through the center, and then drill 1/4-inch holes at the end of this segment. If you don't have access to a drill, ask a friend, or visit a hardware store or lumber yard and see if they can help you. Trace a 4-inch circle on the back of your fabric. As I said earlier, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be about 4 inches through the diameter. Cut out the circle and then hand sew some basting stitches about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can make these stitches about 1/4 of an inch big. Just stitch all the way around. You see how I'm adding these onto my needle? That'll make it go a little bit faster. After stitching all the way around, you can just leave it like this. I don't have any leftover stuffing on hand, so I just took some leftover batting and cut 1/2 inch to 3/8 of an inch little strips. And then I just start wrapping these strips around the center. Add some more. The bigger it gets, the easier it is to hold on to. Just keep wrapping. You want this to get to about the size of a ping pong ball. That looks about right. I'll place this inside and start pulling on that thread to draw that up. Check to see if it looks like it needs a little bit more stuffing. If it does, just add some more, but I think this will be okay. Then knot your thread. I usually like to go back and forth across this just to make sure that those stitches stay, because you are pulling them pretty tight. So I like just a couple extra, push that back down in there. I like just a couple extra stitches on this, and then knot it. Before threading the elastic into your ring base, you'll want to take a measurement. Fold the elastic in half around your finger. Pinch it, not real tight, but comfortable. Pull it off. Hold on to that measurement. Make a mark on both sides, not on your nail like I just did. Thread the elastic through the hole. Just kind of fold it in half and push. Pretty easy. Then pull it through to that mark. You want both of those marks on the inside. And now make a knot. When you get both marks side by side, finish tying your knot. Double check to make sure it's okay. And then I usually tie off again, just to be sure. And then clip. Fire up your glue gun, and then I like to add just a little bit of glue right in the middle to secure this. And then I add a little bit of glue to secure this piece of paper so that glue doesn't come through these holes when I go to glue this pincushion in place. So I'll put glue, lots of glue down in here around the sides and around this, and push that down and hold it in place. Use the glue gun to add some trim around the edging or just leave it blank. Here's my beautiful new ring all ready for my next quilting project. Thanks for visiting learnhowtoquilt.com. Let us know if you'd like any more quick sewing projects by leaving a comment below, or you can email me at ann@learnhowtoquilt.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share our videos with your friends. Thanks.